Hey guys, good afternoon and welcome to the second lesson of level number 15. So just a quickly review, we're going to remember a little bit about the vocabulary we saw, and remember that the first part we saw was to check some activities, right? Activities you could do yourself. For example, clean your house, wash your car, fix your computer, change your car tire, repair your phone, take care of your pet, print photos, cut your own hair, which is a disaster, and paint your apartment, okay? And then we learned how we can change them for an expression where someone else does the same activity for you, right? So instead of saying clean your house, you would say get your house cleaned, or instead of saying wash your car, you would say have your car washed. Okay. We also mentioned that we use get or have, right, to introduce these services plus the object or whatever you're going to fix or change, and then the past participle, right? So object could be hair, nails, computer. We had house, car tire, phone, pet, photos, hair, apartment, etc. Right? Yes, I know pets are like humans to us because we love pets, but in this case, well, we're just going to use them as the object of the sentence, okay? But anyway, this is how it works, right? Get or have. I get my hair cut at Johnny's barbershop. She has her nails done every month. I had my computer repaired last week from a virus. And I also mentioned that we can use them in the present with third person, right, with he or she. So it would be has for have and gets for get. And also had for the past. So instead of have, had, and instead of get, got, right? We also have some examples here. Got, had, right? So they can be used in the present or in the past, okay? Or even in the future. I mean, the service or a service, you can, it could happen at any time. It could have been in the past, it could be in the present or in the future. We talked about making suggestions, right, with model. For example, could, maybe you can, maybe you should, okay? With gerunds, right, going, taking. What about going? Have you thought about taking? With negative questions, why don't you study? With infinitives, right, to take, to watch. One option is to take. It might be a good idea to watch. All right. So anyway, let's jump into the second lesson, right? To have or to get something done by another person, and it does have to do with the first topic we saw, right? Services. So in this case, I just wrote a few questions, and all of them have to do with activities, and in this case the answer have to do with services, right? That you paid someone to do these activities for you. So imagine in a conversation, and maybe, I don't know, somebody asks, did you wash your car? And well, maybe you did, but in this case you didn't, right? You would say no, I got it washed at the car wash, right? So you would say no, I got it washed at the car wash. So it refers to your car, obviously, right? So this is going to be the object, right? Remember, the object right here. So we're going to just substitute it with it referring to the car. So, did you wash your car? No, I got it washed at the car wash. Okay. Do you usually paint your house? No, I have the house painted by my neighbor. Do you usually paint your house? No, I have the house painted by my neighbor. Your phone isn't working. I know, I'll probably get it fixed this weekend. And this is, like I told you, the future, right? So right now it's not working, but in the future you're going to get it fixed. I know, I'll probably get it fixed this weekend. Your hair looks different. Yeah, I got it cut recently. It refers to your hair. It referring to your phone. Okay. Your house, well, in this case I put the house, so either you can substitute it with a pronoun, right? So maybe instead of car you would say it, substituted by a pronoun, or you can just you can just use the noun. So I got my car washed at the car wash. So instead of saying, did you wash your car? No, I got my car washed at the car wash. Or here, number 3, your phone isn't working. I know, I'll probably get my phone fixed this weekend. Your hair looks different. Yeah, I got my hair cut recently. Okay, and finally, are you going with us tomorrow? So maybe imagine your friends are going out and they ask, are you going with us tomorrow? And then maybe you could say, I'm sorry, I can't. I need to have my car repaired. Okay, so in this case we don't have the noun or the object directly in the question, but in this case it's just referring that you cannot go out tomorrow because you have to fix, you need to get or have your car fixed or repaired. Okay, so are you going with us tomorrow? I'm sorry, I can't. I need to have my car repaired. Alright, so anyway, these were just some examples, a little bit more real life examples of how you could use or talk about services or when people do something for you. Okay, so this is it for the lesson, and I'll see you for the final lesson on this unit, lesson number 3. Okay, have a nice day, see you later.